Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick flip through of my Baby Boy 6x6 flap album. And I've already posted one for the baby girl, so I have that one on here as well. It's done exactly the same, just using Baby Boy papers. This is going to be available as a digital download only. No kits are available for this. I did kits years ago. We have no more, but I get a lot of requests for it. So we're going to offer the digital download. I did not change anything about the instructions, so there are no measurements for photo mats, inserts, or decorative paper. That is all customizable up to you. I do recommend just measuring the place for your decorative paper and trimming it down 1/4 of an inch. That's what I do. So you don't have to make a baby album. This is, since it's digital, you can use whatever color cardstock you'd like, whatever theme paper collection you'd like to use. This is just for if you like the structure of the book, pick up the digital tutorial, put your base together, and decorate it however you wish. Now, the baby boy and the baby girl are exactly the same. So you do not need to purchase both. Just purchase the boy or the girl one. The base is done exactly the same. So, okay, let's jump right into it. My baby girl had photos. My baby boy does not have photos in it. So you can just kind of see how I did it and how you can cut photo mats, whatever sizes you want. As I said in the baby girl one though, if you do want specific measurements, go ahead and message me after you've purchased the tutorial, and I'll be happy to help you out with photo mat measurements if you'd like. So the inside front cover is a double diagonal pocket. And then we've got, this is why it's called the flap album. Each page is going to have a flap. There's 6 pages on here. Each one has an insert. You can decorate it front and back. In this case, I did baby's first year, so I have the 1 month, 2 month, and so on. And the inside front is for like the actual birthday, the day the baby was born, first initial photos, and then the last one's going to be the actual first birthday. So the back, the 12th month will be pictures throughout that 12th month, but then the last inside cover is where you put the actual day for when they turn 1. And that's just how I did. Of course, you can do it however you like. And then you've got flaps to open out. You've got pockets here. I used a deep edge punch by EK Success. That one is called Embroidery. I believe it's discontinued. I am not 100% sure. I did extra little flaps on here, so you can customize it however you like. I just did that based on the cut aparts I had, a little 3x4 and a 4x6 cut apart. So not every flap has an extra flap, but that just shows what you can do. Of course, you can do photo mats, whatever sizes that you'd like. I did a couple there. So you can do 1 large photo, 2 or more smaller ones. Sorry, I hit the camera there. And these open. And then, let's see here. Oh, and then this one. Sorry, I can't fit it all on camera. Now, I haven't been pulling out the inserts because they're pretty much done exactly the same, just different decorative paper. And then the last page. Okay, so there you have it. If you'd like to pick up the digital tutorial, please click the link below. It'll take you to my shop. Once again, you only need the boy or the girl, unless you want both, but they're the same for the base instructions. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates on upcoming projects. I still will be offering album kits, but I'm just starting to jump into the digital format. So we'll see how that goes for us. I'm introducing it starting with my older projects. But thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.